Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and like my videos guys. Ito nga palang coins na to guys is 20 pence British coin, United Kingdom. And guys, 1982 guys, 20 pence. Ito 20 pence siya, British coin. Po yung kanyang harap, Elizabeth coin. Ito guys, share ko lang po sa inyo. Ayan, nakakita po ako ng Elizabeth 20 pence London ba to? British coin. Ayan siya guys, 20 pence. Ayan, maganda siya pang collection guys. Ayan siya guys, ito ang kanyang harap. Ayan, ikot pa natin, ikot. Ayan, 20 pence guys. Ito ang kanyang likod, may corona. Ayan, tapos nakalagay 20, tapos dito 20 pence 1982. Ayan, 1982 siya guys. Ayan, share ko lang sa inyo itong aking nakikitang coins. Ayan, ganito po yung kanyang harap guys. Ayan, 20 pence Elizabeth II. So guys, don't forget to subscribe and like my videos. Pakisuportahan naman ang aking munting channel at si-subscribe nyo na mga kaibigan. Ayan, ayan siya guys, 20 pence, napakagandang coins guys. May red nilabas silver coins. Ayan guys, 1982. Ayan siya guys. Nandito na lang guys. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood. Keep on watching.